stingy with it, stacking chips, don't see no help was coming. Niggas cutting in my extras, gave myself a budget. It be the principles. When I'm tripping, don't be nothing else. Look at the man in the mirror, gotta check myself. Sell on the block, them bitches 180. Trying to change my life, they 60, stuck at 180. My grandma telling me to be something. Niggas ain't helping out for real, so I don't need none. In the yard, out there arguing with that bitch, can't enjoy my vacation. Bitches come through having threesomes. Enjoy my vacation, bitches come through having threesomes. Enjoy my vacation, bitches come through having threesomes. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Fell back up off the net, it's too much fake love. Niggas killing for a shout out, niggas fake thugs. Dirty bro, he got light down trying to break some. Earned a stripe and kept a salad to my hefty cousin. I'm off RP right now, I don't need no Xan or none. Look how you told him, think you solid, you don't stand for none. I'm stingy with it, stacking chips, don't see no help was coming. Niggas cutting in my extras, gave myself a budget. Compliments, my bitch be insecure. Come around me, showing me fake love. I bring awareness to my city, ain't got no outlets. Young and broke, we bought them budgets out the outlets. I'm blicky shopping, buying different kind. 30, you thinking niggas, 19 if you thinking none. Loyalty, don't stand on business, so you one of mine. I'm getting slimy off the back, G said give it time. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Fell back up off the net, it's too much fake love. Niggas killing for a shout out, niggas fake thugs. Dirty bro, he got light down trying to break some. Earned a stripe and kept a salad to my hefty cousin. I'm off of RP right now, I don't need no Xan or none. Look how you told her, think you solid, you don't stand for none. I'm stingy with it, stacking chips, don't see no help was coming. Niggas cutting in my extras, gave myself a budget. Take me a risk and go put on the team. We used to walk on feet, but now we pull up to the function, the SRTs. Clutching and blinking the club. Nigga look wrong in this bitch and I'm clearing the scene. Tape talk like young me. Say I got rich, my microphone. Like, fuck you mean? Them be the main ones watching. How you gon' hate no money in your pocket?
Oh my goodness.
Now every time we go out, I got it. I'm in LA, up in the Hollywood Hills, I'm kicking shit. Mission Miyagi. I know they hate seeing my face on that TV. They ain't got no choice but to watch me. And I really feel like can't nobody tell me unless she gon'
YouTube chat. What's up, YouTube? I ain't seen y'all in a fucking little minute. What's going on, bruh? What's going on? Let me give y'all some context before we even get into today, and before I even do my actually no. Let me do my analysis first. Abigail, I see you. I'm doing this video and I'm streaming. I'm gonna hit you after, but let me do this analysis. Let me get the stream out the way, and then let me talk to y'all a little later, because I just woke up and I gotta get this shit out the way, and I gotta film this YouTube video, and I forgot I gotta do that. So let's fucking get it. I'll give y'all some context in a little bit. Shots for the ones in the pen. 3 more shots for my niggas back home. Nigga fuck with them, he gon' catch Mac 10. Nigga, my life on shit. I had to go take me a risk and go put on the team. We used to walk on feet, but now we pull up to the function, the SRTs. Clutching and blinking the club. Nigga look wrong in this bitch and I'm clearing the scene. Pay talk like young me. Say I got rich, then switch like fuck you mean. But them be the main ones watching. How you gon' hate no money in your pocket? We was just broke living on pop pockets. Now every time we go out, I got it. I'm in LA, up in the Hollywood Hills, I'm kicking shit. Alright. Let's see. What we got going on? Alright, starting on the daily on gold. Daily is bearish. Previous daily is bearish. We have not tapped our daily support. Pretty important. We just had escalation with Iran. Trump doing Trump things because he's Trump. All right. So overall, I'm pretty bearish for the most part, but that doesn't mean that we don't see upside, right? We have a 4-hour support here that we've wicked through, and we are reacting from. We also have another previous 4-hour support here. All right, let's look at the 1 hour. Wait, actually, hold on. Let me mark up this 4-hour support as well. All right, cool. All right, so pretty simple day today. Buys above here, sells below here. Pretty simple, bro. Pretty simple. Buys above, sells below, right? We can trade to this 1 hour. There's no higher time frame, anything in the way there. So if we want to close above here, we could trade to the 1 hour, right? If it closes above in 5 minutes. And then 1 hour, we have a previous 1 hour that we're struggling at. Yeah, no, I'd rather just, let me see. Yeah, I don't want to take sales to this 4-hour support. I want to trade below that 4-hour support. Just because, like, it just doesn't look as nice. You know what I mean? Like, the range isn't as clean as what we have up here. Alright, now let's look at NQ. We have our ranges set out and all that. Already looking a little chopped. I'm not gonna lie. Coming from the bottom of the range. I really don't like the market positioning that we're starting the session in for NQ. Previous daily support. I have a 4-hour here. Might as well just move this here. Let's see. Can we trade to this? 1 hour, 30, 15, 5. That is the question. Can we trade to this resistance? Expect volume of Asian Open to push through. 34. We do have trading ranges. We can give it a shot. Maybe if we can accumulate a little more. If we pop up too much, I have to wait for a close above. Probably want to take a break of this high. If I do take that, 90. Yeah, for sure. We just got to see where we close on these. I think it's 6 break-evens now. $38. 10 pips to get to here. Yeah, we just need volume for that kind of push. I like gold a lot more if we can close above, just because of how much we've been accumulating. Finally gonna result in somewhere. As long as it respects its previous 1 hour, I'll still take buys with the 15 close above.
Hey,
38.
picture this big crib with a pick and fence. Different scene doing different shit. I woke up to reality.
76.
Shit. Different day, it's a different risk. Big dreams, I got a list of
So we got 13.
gotta get this shit. Bro, the rollie and my kids need a Christmas gift. I'm a young black brother already.
Let's see if we can get a bottom wick.
To the struggle, had pops and mother, still ain't get what I wanted. Thank God, cuz looked out for me. Man, taught me shit I can never forget. That's why niggas so clever as shit. Don't bring around me, you better tell the
Let's see the bottom wick here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we could trade 2 here. See if we could push through. Break even. Quick break even. Quick break even. See if we could just push through here. Risk-free trade, risk-free trade. Pushing up even higher now. Got in this trade really quick. If I get tap break even, it's fine.
Order filled.
All right, cool. First position of the day. That was a nice try. It was a nice try. Right. I had to go quick break even because we are at a resistance. First position out the way. It was a quick
Order filled.
quick try. I expected volume to push through. Now we could easily reject. That's why I went break even. That was a quick position chat. I don't know if y'all seen that. It could still play out, and if it's 5-minute closes above, I might still take it. Maybe not the 5-minute. We'll see. We'll see. If we can range a little bit and then close above, I'll be happy. But I was able to trade. To that resistance, right? Expect volume, open volume to push through. But excuse me. And we were like, what? We ended up like 50-60% to TP. But I can't take it anymore, so it pushed through. I expected that volume to just kind of give a push through, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to be a part of this. And it's a case where I traded up to it. I got the initial push, and then it just snaps back. So it could still play out. You know what I mean? I'm not mad at that. One hour closing bullish. We have another 1 hour here. 30, 15. I wouldn't be surprised if this played out, bro. I'm not mad at it either. Holding up pretty strong. Just had me break even out along the way, you know what I mean? If this 15-minute can close above, it'll be nice. We have 1 hour closing weak bearish, 30-minute closing weak bearish, 15 with change structure. Yeah. Yeah, that was the first. That was the first position of the day. It was literally Asian Open, and it looks like it would have played out. It looks like it would have played out, but like I said again, it could have easily rejected. You know what I mean? And it still has a little bit to go before 1-1. It's probably gonna tap it. It's all good. Can't really do nothing about it. If I'm being so for real, but I'm not gonna push up 70% of TP. I'm not gonna push up to 70% of TP and then risk losing the full trade, bro. I expected volume to kind of push it, so I guess it just needed a little more hesitation before it made a decision. So I'll take as many break evens as I need to, like, make sure it's a good position though. Which it gave me a shot. You know what I mean? That's what I'm happy about. Is that it gave me a shot nonetheless. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. We still have so much range to trade, bro. It's not like I'm tripping off of this one trade. And it's snapping back to break even after barely missing the 1-1. If it snaps to break even, just to make me feel a little better about myself, that would be nice. Nonetheless, I'm fine. But 5 minutes, that's one with Asian Open. Daily War. Uh, 37. Zero. What time was it? 17. Well, I mean, played out. The idea played out. The idea played out. 1 hour, 30, 15. I'm trying to think. 1 hour bullish, 30 bullish, 30-minute resistance, 15. I'm trying to see if I imagined us like just pushing through, right? Can I imagine us just pushing through that? Or is there a world where we just push through that?
I never brought my stress to you, you was my lady.
alone every day, but I'm living. Gotta step it up, I need shows out in England. Everything not what it seems, and I need millions. Never got the GED, but the boy brilliant. Took my talents down to New York, made a killing, was happening. I know you not happy like you used to, but it's better days. We just gotta walk away.
67 hours? What? What you mean?
House in Atlanta, orange juice in my cabana. No saying cabana sandals, baby name Samantha. Money got longer, now I got higher standards. I'm overseas with it, eating an apple and tanning. Max cards for the business expenses. My tax bracket different, I don't argue with women. I'm trying to go vegan, but I'm chasing this chicken. Did the stock white gold when I took her to dinner, was head. Baby, how you doing? I really like your style. I like traveling and buying shit that grow in value. I don't wait too much,
Baby, I just want shit now.
30 minutes made 17,000. Blue and black face.
Well, my idea played out, bro. That's all that matters. Alright, we have gold. Doing gold stuff. See, 1 hour, 30, 15. Ooh. But I want to just take a breakout. Can I trade to that 1 hour? 81. I could try it. It's just a little tricky. Just a little wee bit tricky. 30, 15. Mm, 30. 90. Can I take a close above the 1 hour? That's big boy stops. Oh my gosh. 94. Let me journal this. It was a good shot. I think that setup was a good shot. Six BE, 7 BE. A lot of break evens. Damn, look at NQ. Can we close above here? We still have hella buying range for NQ. Don't get me wrong. We could still do some action. It would just be nice to be in from here. It would just be real nice to do it from here. Yeah, see, I can't really do much about this. Let me down. Straight 1 minute push. Straight 5 minute push. And to think I was involved from right here.
It's hard to catch what you can't see. I grew up to be who I wanna be, so the more niggas talk, I'ma shine. Might have been
I just didn't want it to fully reject and then come back down.
life is a bitch, but she mine. The rag 6'2", she has mine. The west side too, yeah, it's mine. What you know about? Your poster on the wall at the dealership. Leaving
Oi, nasty, nasty, nasty.
banged on for your penalties. What you know about?
Yeah, I have to wait for some 5 minute structure, and then if we can close above, I'll take a buy.
Young nigga blue pager on my hip, so that's a champagne spill in the car.
This, I need this 5 minute structure to close above. Pretty simple.
Going to the bank at least 3-4 times. Get handshakes from the branch managers. We keep doing fly shit when the cameras cut. Double up, yeah, 3 or 4 times.
My gosh, sorry.
I ain't telling no lies, I ain't telling no lies, I just
Yeah, just some 5 minute structure, some pullback. And then we want to see a close above here. Yo, what's good, Alex? What's goody, what's goody, what's goody? How you feeling, bro? I took another break even on the Asian Open. I was in this. And to think I was in this. Look. Another break even. With good reason, though. With good reason. With good reason. Volume on Asian Open came. We made a small top bottom wick and then we pushed up hella. And I'm like, there's no reason I should risk this trade. Break even. Snap back. Wicked me out. Push back up to full TP. I'm telling you, bro. I'm getting trolled by these markets, bro. I'm getting trolled. I'm getting fucking trolled. I took 1L on funded, made 4G on 250K, just need 60. Oh shit. So how many more trades do you need? Wait, on 250? You just need. Or how much are you risking per trade? One trade? Oh, bro, let's fucking go. What the fuck? Let's fucking go, bro. Love to see that shit. Alright, we tapped the daily level on NQ. Pretty previous daily support. The fuck? Well, that's a 4 hour. Yeah, it's a 4 hour resistance we have. So what I want to see is a 15-minute close bearish and goes above 80 micros. I heard isn't the fees on micros more than like minis? But I mean, minis is just like, it's sometimes you over risk or like superly like overly under risk. But yeah, if this could create 5-minute structure and close above this 4 hour, I could take a buy. Or a 15-minute bearish and 15-minute bullish, I could take a buy. And then gold, I just want to see some 5-minute structure and a close above this line. Because on 5 minute, pretty straightforward resistance here. I think I need one more profitable day, bro. Yeah, bro, I just need one more. I'm not gonna push it to end this week, like, or end today green, but like I only need one more day, and then I could, if I wanted to that bad, take a payout. But like I said, I'm pushing for that max payouts. Going in with like 80 micros, yeah, I can just take more out with micros. Take a 25. That makes sense. I like the way you're going about it. Just like trail profits as you're winning. Might as well. It's kind of like you're trailing your stop loss in a way, but like you're just confirming the shit. You're confirming the profits. Look at that rejection from 4 hour. This could still, don't get me wrong, this could still flip up. Let it go above the one. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I've actually been wanting to get into like volume profile. Like previous day value highs and lows or some shit. I talked to this one guy from like Dubai or whatever. He's like hella consistent with it. And it's like you're catching the fade of a move, like of an area. So like you're catching the initial reaction of something. Not like a higher time frame move, but just the fade of something. Or like a level. Or pretty strong level. If this 15 could close above on gold, it would also be the 30-minute. It broke down. I was by itself, so I waited and the green candle came back. Bet. Drop it on me. It's like on some A+ shit. Whoa. You should watch my journaling video. Very, very useful. Cause the whole reason I made that video was like, Alex and them are talking about not journaling, and I think that's really important. I'm gonna make a video about how to journal. Yeah. That's like the whole reason. I'm like, they don't journal. I'm like, that's hella important in my eyes, at least. I kind of yap a little bit in that video, but it goes over very, very important things. I think there's a lot of value out of it. It's doing pretty good for views for like what my channel is. Like 50 views, something. Usually my shit don't get no views. 58 views, yeah. Look, see, like value shit. Like 4 likes, 58 views without me really promoting it like that. Cause usually people I just say my channel and try this one for journaling. Let me see, open my Discord. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, this might be a nice setup. Oh, both dubs. Wait. I'm not going to try to understand the entry, but I see that one didn't hit full TP, the other one did though. So wait, so you took an L and then a dub? Hey, bro, you made it back. You good. But I'm assuming you won a little more than you lost. Actually, I don't know. Because they're both the same RR, are they? I think so. Look at how this is rejecting after that liquidity grab. If the next one could close, the next 5 minute could close above, I could take a buy to this previous 30 minutes / 15. As long as it doesn't overly push. Gold pulling back. On eval, I took both, but I made my money back up. Nice. Look at gold. Oh shit. Nice, bro. I'm ready to full port my eval. I'm so excited. I haven't done one of those full ports in hella long. $17, bro. I don't give a fuck. For a chance of a 250K? I would just be copy trading. Like, I'll just have the trader bait like in the background, and whenever I take a trade on this or I'm about to, I'll just set it up. If I do pass the account, also gambling it. Hypothetically. Motherfuckers do that with 20 accounts. You know that? That shit is crazy. They buy 20 accounts, which I mean they could afford it. But like 20 accounts to gamble on at the fucking CPI. That shit is insane. But at the same time, it just instantly passes it if it does play out. I'm yet to have full porting work out for me. I've never worked for me. I've tried it like 3 times. Let me tie my fucking fuck ass hair.
your bag, watching peep how a couple bitches fag. This real life, but play the game. My mama that shed too many tears, I hate to see her pain. Me and you, we ain't the same. I got niggas I can't get back. When I catch that one nigga, got me reaching where my stick at. Baby, would you ride with me through them sunny days and cold nights? I'm getting rich by any means. You niggas still trying to type.
Fucking hair, bro.
Feeling for that bag, we too alike. Pops taught me never sit up on your ass. You gotta fight for this life that you want. I don't consider this no dream. Drop the phone, smoke these woods back to back. I ain't no fiend, nigga. I ain't no fiend.
God damn, I gotta brush this shit, bro. I just tie my shit and I won't brush it for like fucking a day. It fucks it up. Cause I tie my shit hella tight. Pause. Yeah, I took that second trade unfunded. I would have made money plus more, but I told myself one trade unfunded. I was like max loss, so I just took the L. Wait, on the funded. Oh, you didn't take that second trade on the funded? Oh, but you limit yourself to one unfunded. Fuck. Fuck. So you I mean, bro, it's alright. Shit. I get it. I get it. You set rules on the actual, like, making money account. You know what I mean? I do the same shit. Look at the entry on that second one. Yeah, he didn't really even hold that much drawdown on the second one. Or at all. Look at goals, right? Damn. This is why I wait for closures, bro. Holy chat. I just didn't have a lot. If I did and lost it, it would have been max loss plus extra fee, so it'll fuck up my RR. Oh, fuck. Shit, bro. Shit. You know what? The next time you get like an eval and shit, I feel like you should buy end of day drawdown instead, bro. Instead of trailing. Lets you risk more without having to worry about the trailing bullshit. Well, next time I buy Apex accounts, I'm gonna do that. End of day, which is a little more expensive. But at least for me, bro, the way I like to pass accounts, it works. Because end of day drawdown, it's like at least like I'm not gonna have something I could trail in profits and go break even and not have it be a problem. Or I could go in profits and you see me, bro. I be break even and like pretty often. You know what I mean? Wait, is my shit supposed to be 7? Yeah, it's 7. 7 losses, 7 losses. Oh, shit. Is today gonna be one of those days? R. Risk reward. You know, I don't understand like the one to like I can't be comfortable with motherfuckers, you know, that like do like 1 to 5 R, 1 to 6 R, but like their win rate's like 10%. You know what I'm talking about? I can't sit comfortably with that. I'd rather be like just super accurate and precision based and just rely on my win rate. I ain't gonna lie. When I hit my plays, I just gotta let them run for my system. I can't arrange to be profitable winners. But it's up to my winners. Yeah, that's exactly what I was just talking about, right? Like, see, like, that trading style is so, like, you have to be okay with losing often. You know what I mean? I just can't stomach, like, me being wrong sometimes. Like, I like being super precision accurate. That's why 1-to-1 is so, like, beautiful to me. It's, like, intentional placement. Some of the trades I've taken before, a lot of them are, like, they'll run a 1 to 3, 1 to 2, but it's, like, I like taking my base hits, bro. Keeping it consistent. Like, my equity curve isn't just like, doo, 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 doo. I like slow, consistent, upward. Yeah, well, that you got to be able to like, you actually got to be able to like make sure though that you hold on to it. You can't just let it. You know what I mean? You can't just settle for a 1-to-1 if you're gonna take that many L's. If wait, hold on, let me log in. 51. See if we can close above. I just peeped the screen like last second. We're gonna close above. What we about to do? Has to close above. All right. Ooh, fuck. That closed above it would have been nice. No bottom wick though. All right. Yeah, let me get back to this. My fault. My fault. I need a 15 close. Damn, look at that volume. Yeah, it makes me know I'm gonna take it. My losses are never big. I cut them short. Lock in. Yeah, I'm good. This is not valid for me. This is a pretty big level and it closed right below. Pushed up, and I need a bottom wick. And it pushed up, no bottom wick. It just shows me there's no liquidity being grabbed sell side, or either that. It's always one of the two. Either just super heavy bullish volume, or it's just no liquidity being grabbed. But at the end of the day, it could just snap back hella fast. But yeah, bro. Like those kind of like scenarios where I have to like sit there, wait for a setup, and then I lose because I knew that I had to wait for a 1-to-3 or 1-to-4. It's like fuck. Like at that point, like for me, I'm like I'm gonna just trail, bro. I'm gonna just trail structure until I lose, or until it hits it. But at the same time, you got to make it worth your RR, like for how much you're risking and your win rate. So it's like fuck. Can I stomach having to hold to a 1-to-3 when I could have just took the 1-to-1 and just been right in that moment? You know, I don't know. It's just more consistent in my eyes. Like my mentor, his stream, like he used to stream every day for London session. His win rate, which I'm trying to get to that. He had like a 75% win rate, but he had like kind of like me right now, had like as many break evens as he does losses. So it's kind of like you'll take a lot more break evens more often, and your losses like they are a little more, they count a little more, but you're right most of the time. You know what I mean? Yeah, see, this is what I was talking about. Remember, like that no bottom wick? Just no liquidity being grabbed, no sell side liquidity. So now that it grabs liquidity, what's it gonna do, right? If this next 15 minute could close right here, I could trade to this next level, see what happens. Gold is just, holy shit, dude. Gold is just gold. We just snapped back to where we were at the beginning of the session, where we opened. That's fucking insane. Open is right here, by the way. Wait, how do I pull up my my stream fucking stats? Where is it? I just noticed that's not there. Participants, no. I don't know how to. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I don't need to see how many viewers I have. I just don't know how to make it pop out. I feel like an old ass man trying to figure this shit out, bro. Bro, I want my Corvette already, bro. The fuck? 111 videos? Go. 111. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Daily coming from the bottom of the range. Previous daily support here. Yeah, these are some stacked levels, so if we can get above here, it'd be nice. You like Trade Evade? I had to relearn it, but I figured it out. It's not that hard. I just don't like how like it looks. Trade Evade. And I tried to bring it to Trading View and it didn't work. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. I just don't like the layout. It doesn't look too bad. Just horizontal lines. I don't like. Hold on. Wait, maybe that's the wrong account. Wait, is it? Yeah. I have to go to my Apex. Alright, I think it's cool. It's alright. Can you see me on stream trading like this? I feel like that one girl you were showing me, Lonnie. With the fucking 20 accounts and shit. Where's the timer? I just enabled it. I just don't know where it is. Where's the trade mode shit? Damn it. See, and I'm still trying to learn it. How do I turn off the trade mode? Shit. Go to current bar. I don't know how to really use it like that. I just know that I put 100 point stop in profit, and then I just put how much I need to risk, and then I'll put the thing. Let me put this to 1 just in case. That's all I really need to know, though. I don't need to make it super complicated. Yeah, I think it's cool. I just don't like the lines. Horizontal line, and then it's like orange little shit. And it's like backspace to delete. Which I'm not mad at. I think it's the same thing on here. Oh, this would be juicy setup. But yeah, like hypothetically, if I pass the account, right, I would look at it on here. I would use this chart, right, and then I'll just do the same thing here without having to mark it up. This will just be like execution, just copied. You know what I mean? Because I just, yeah. And where's the, I swear I just put the timer on. You know where it's like the countdown for the next candle close? Elements. Oh, fuck. Settings. Oh, there's the settings. Trade mode, no. Bar. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Nice. Yeah, but that's that. I'm planning to, when I get good enough at getting payouts on Top Step, and they move me to fuck ass live account, I'm probably gonna switch to Apex. When that happens, I don't know when, but when that does happen. Trying to sit my pain away.
Can't kick the habit, so I drink about a pint a day. I say I drink about a pint a day. Can't kick the habit, so I drink about a pint a day. Syrup in my styrofoam, trying to sit my pain away. Can't kick the habit, so I drink about a pint a day. I say I drink about a pint a day.
Hey, what's that game that you guys be playing? Was it Tarkov? I wanted to try it. Like on my downtime. See what's up. You reminded me that that game existed, and I was like, bruh. I'm like, I gotta try that game one day. I feel like it's a lot of grind, though.
You drive straight 3 bands, nigga. What I spent on these red bottoms. Broke ass niggas don't understand why I got them. Cause I remember days I was rocking XJs. Don't forget the 900, 2 bricks for the 900. Split the L special by 3 so everybody could eat. Out of school by 3 to get off the rest of my D. I say syrup in my styrofoam.
Mad shit to learn in that game, bro. I'm fucking saying. That's why I was like, I'm like, yo, Davatron, you gotta tell me what's up with that. Because if it's one of those games, I have to like, there's like a 1,000-hour learning curve, and then you could actually play the fucking game. I can't play it. I can't play it, bro. What's up, Manny? How you feeling, bruh? I took a position earlier. I got tap break even, and of course it flew to TP after tapping me out. Bro, yesterday got tap break even, it ran to a 1-2. Today, tap break even, ran to a 1-1. These break evens, bro, they're killing me, bro. But like, it makes sense why I went break even. It's not like it was a dumb reason. Daily 4-hour. Yeah, I'm bullish today. I'm not really looking for sells. I'm not gonna lie to ya. I want to take some breakouts. Gold doesn't want to move anywhere. Is it a crime? Bro, I want those people to come into my stream. Like once I start like posting payouts and shit, they're like, bro, buy yourself, buy yourself, buy yourself. And I'm just like, buy right now, and then they like just fuck up their whole account. Whatever. Look at that. Oof. Start a trading course. You know what I'm gonna do? Just become a fucking just straight scammer, bruh. I'm gonna just become a straight scammer and be like, look, I'm selling a course on exact. I'm gonna live stream like actual trades. And then in the course, I'm gonna just say some nonsense. I'm gonna just say some bullshit. I'm gonna be like, every time we test here, you have to take a buy. If you didn't catch this 1 to 10, you're dumb as shit. Retired trading. Like, you have to wait for consolidation. Go to the bottom. Stops below. Boom. How much should I charge? Like 2 racks for the whole course? Or should I charge a monthly fee? Like, that is just stupid. Like, expensive. Discord fee? Hey, it's gonna be a Discord fee. It's just me and the Discord and everyone else who's paying. No moderators, no content. You be like, hey, y'all, about to stream. You know what? I'll make it so like, all right, look, y'all are paying for no stream delay. I'm gonna do a Zoom call, and then they just get no stream delay. That's the only bonus they get. I remember when I used to copy my mentor before I really wanted to start learning. The stream delay would fuck me up. He would explain the trade and then the entry, and then last second he's like, never mind, because of this, and the third. But then I got triggered, and then I lost the whole trade. And he didn't even get in it because of stream delay. It's fucked up. I don't know how much this stream is delayed. I have it on ultra low. Danny trades. Let me do homework. Oh, I have opened his thing before. Oh, fucking this guy you showed me. I don't like his.
Get this popping, guys. As long as it's a one-day pass, same rules, you're fine.
I don't like his face.
All right.
Like, just look at his face. I don't like his proportions. I don't like his eyebrows.
So what's actually messing up your guy?
I don't like him at all. Gambler to the max. He only has 2 videos. How I made 100,000 in one day. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bro. Ain't nobody trying to see this shit. All right, so 15-minute here. Closing bearish, but respecting structure. He removed a lot of it. Isn't it since he got exposed? Or whatever the hell. I remember the video. I remember watching it. Like the single frame of like the account balance or showing demo or something. Sometimes when this creatine hit my gut, bro, it does not feel right. I don't like consistency of, yeah, bro, that's just crazy. It's like, bro, you built, like, you really tried that hard, bro. Think about it. You tried that hard to build a community just to scam all of them. Yeah, bro. Tried that hard to build a community to scam, bro. It's like, imagine like the text he was getting is like, bro, you're such a huge inspiration to me. Bro, I love your content. And he's just smiling. He's like, yeah, bro, you're going to make it one day like me. Just the whole time be lying. Just fucking lying. That shit is like not human. I don't know. He didn't give a fuck. And then his trades were dumb as shit. He was like, yes, I'm gonna go long here. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long here. Actually, no. I'm going shorts. Going shorts off of the going shorts. I remember seeing his clips, bro. I know, bro. It doesn't make no sense. I remember seeing his clips of like just the shit he would do. I'm just like, what the fuck? Like how can someone do this much? What I want to see, right, is we wicked out from the top, and I want to see this close bearish now. Like that would be good for sales. We have all this selling range. I'm so blessed to be able to have selling range in markets like this, bro. This is where my setups play out the most. Like having ranges like this is where they present themselves the most. He'd be like me. Oh, he'd be like, not like me. I was about to say like you. I'm like, bro, you trade like you? He'd be like, I'm in 5 cons. 5 cons, guys. I'm up 4G. I'm down 4G. I'm up 4G. I'm down 4G, guys. I was up and I'm down. No. Enter back longs. No. Chat, trust. It's hella funny, bro. I don't know. You know, I don't have a problem with people that, you feel me? Even though it's like morally wrong, it's the fact that you lie to people though. Like you have to sell this dream to people, you know what I mean? Like so many people make so much money off of other people who aren't where they want to be by just straight lying, bro. Like, you want to hear my theory on ICT? I do not. I know ICT traders can be profitable, and there are profitable ass ICT traders. But the guy who made ICT, he was broke as shit, bro. And then as soon as he started selling his ideas, that's how he got rich. It's like, bro, if you knew all that, why didn't you just get rich in the first place from trading? But I feel like people like took his concepts and kind of reworked it enough, and he kind of aligned with that. He's like, yeah, and just said exactly what they remodeled his shit to be, just so it looks like it works more. You know what I mean? It's just like, bro. And plus, his voice is annoying as shit. That's why I didn't want to learn ICT, at least from him. Inner circle trader. It's like, bro, if you're trading like the banks and hedge funds and the investment firms, then like you would be rich as shit. White guy with tats. Oh, Mamba FX. Talking about Mamba FX. If you are, like, I know exactly what you're talking about. Mamba FX. This next closer is the 1 hour, so if this can close above, it would be nice. Bro, I swear, when I first started trading, bro, I thought Mamba FX was the GOAT. Little did I know. He like turned his life to God though, I think. But like he's still, you know, kind of like this image. I don't know. Like he looks like a status symbol. He's cool though. Yeah, I believe that. I don't know if he knows how to trade though. That's one thing I never figured out is like, does Mamba FX actually know how to trade? Because I see his strategy. You know what his strategy would be? It would be like trend lines. No, I seen an interview, you know what I mean? Like, I seen an interview where he kind of spoke like he was trying to like be a little more ethical and stuff like that. But he would use trend lines. It would break a trend line. Literally, like, he thought, he made it look like trading was baby mode. As soon as it broke a trend line, he would just short. It's okay, bro. At the end of the day, though, I don't like hate anyone. Actually, not to be too like, you know what I mean, but we are all brothers of God, all brothers of Christ. I'm saying I'm still a believer of that. I'll never truly hate someone, like on a real note. But like morally, people do be fucked up. I will say that. His videos be like, I just mark high and low as break. Yeah, like I don't get it. I remember trying to learn his shit because he, bro, like when you're new to trading, you see that lifestyle, which is his target audience. His target audience is new traders. Like there's no way it's not. Like the thumbnails, everything attracts just like babies. You know what I mean? Of trading, and he takes advantage of that and sells an idea or like sells a dream. He can't deny it either. I'm pretty sure he like admitted to it, but like, you know, at least he's aware. I mean, he's always gonna be aware, but yeah. All right, let's see if gold can break down here. I want to take sales below this 4-hour support. So if we can break down a bit, close below this previous 1 hour. You can tell the FOMO trade, honestly. Yeah, bro. At least with his shit, I don't know, bro. I don't get it. I really don't. There's so many concepts, bro. Were you ever in that phase of like a learning phase, like just wanting to learn every strategy? And because it didn't work for you for like a week, you would switch? I remember going through that. It was annoying. Like I just wanted to be right, and because I couldn't be right with any strategy, it pissed me the fuck off. And then like over time, I'm like, bro, I think I'm just bad at it. Like I don't know how to do it because it's proven. It's just with the system that I trade now, that's the case. Oh, what? Fair value gap to supply them in demand or volume profile? Yeah, bro. Volume profile. Volume profile looks consistent, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It really does. It looks super consistent. Like from people, like anyone that I see, like out of all types of traders, volume profile has been the most consistent one that I see people like actually like being good at. It's easy to say ICT, but like it's just so like watered out or watered down. It's like I don't know. I don't know what to believe now. But shit, if it makes people money, it makes people money. I can't hate on it. You know what I mean? I know my strategy isn't the only right one. We all look at the chart just in a different format. What are we doing here, right? We got NQ ping ponging. Doom, 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 doom. If this 15-minute could close above, it'll be a nice buy. That's why I use volume at the bottom to tell if it's real or fake. Yeah, and you know what's trippy? It's the same thing for every strategy, but within a topic of a strategy, with like a general term for a strategy, there's different ways to trade within that strategy. Like I'm supporting resistance, but I don't have boxes at the top here. I have vertical lines, or I mean horizontal lines. Same with volume profile. Some people don't use value area day high or some shit lows. Some people don't use VWAP with their volume profile. Some people don't use EMAs. It's weird. Like Everyone has their own way, and like you use volume from down here to check. You know what I mean? Some people have that shit on the side. Like, you know what I'm talking about, where it's like, and then it's like low and then. Yeah, I like gold. I like how gold's setting up. If we can close below here, this 4-hour support, I would be willing to take a short with the 1-hour close. Has to close below this line though. Seems like we're getting some selling volume. This would also be the 1-hour close too. Or order through the market. You know what you gotta do, bro? You gotta become one of those guys with the bubbles all over your screen, like green bubble, long, red bubble, short. I don't get it. I really don't. I don't fucking get it. Fucking bubble traders, bro. The heat map, is that what it's called? I had that also. You were a bubble man. Oh, look at NQ. Breaking down. Let's see. I could take buys from here. Only thing is, the probabilities of me actually winning reduced because we tapped higher time frame targets. So if we break down heavy, I could take sales back down below here. 136. Damn. 136 a month. I would just look at someone else's stream. At that point, like, I'll just follow someone that has that and then just look at theirs if you trade the same thing. Make you hesitate? Yeah. Simpler the better. I can see why you stuck with the strategy you have now, bro. It's so simple. I think yours is just a patience thing. Same with mine, bro. My setups present itself, but like, it's so easy to force a trade. That goes for any strategy, but like, you know, patience, I feel like, is like the hardest part. Something that I had to learn, bro. So hard, bro. It's so hard to get over. Being able to, like, you have to be able to sit at this screen for probably like more, like, there's gonna be periods where you have to do it for like maybe a whole week. Maybe it's just a week of chop, let's say. And like, for me at least, I have to just sit there and do nothing. And you know what I mean? When you're a trader, you feel like you're obligated to do something. You know what I mean? Because it feels like you're not doing work. But like, I don't know. Like, market conditions like this is where, like, this is my pride and joy. Like, this is where I shine. You know what I mean? Like, volatile, big candles. I didn't go on with my first sets today. I could have waited for the real move, which didn't happen until then reversed it back up. 11 a.m. I just hate having to convert time in my head. But I know what you mean, though. Do you have like a specific time that your setup usually comes? Well, I gotta take a shit. I want to see this 15-minute close, and then I'll wait for the next one because I gotta take a shit. Paradise. Can this next 2 minutes do some crazy action and just close below here? That'd be so fire. 2 hours 30 minutes. That's a good, like, you know what I mean? Oh, my stomach, bro. I'm telling you, that creatine does something to my stomach sometimes, bro. It's a good time frame. I want to get back into NYC. I've been seeing moves play out. I just haven't been paper trading it enough. I gotta go back. When the weekend comes back around, I'm gonna back test some data. See if I can catch any of the moves. Since I wasn't there for every NYC, it's gonna be like starting a new session every time I back test the next day. See what I could do. See if I can make something out of it. The thing is, though, is like I said, bro, NYC session is like the end of my day. Asian and London are just better timing for me. I don't know. Look at gold, bro. Keep in mind, open was right here. In the span of this past hour, we've moved 34 points. Same thing with... That's crazy. Same thing with NQ. We're 11 points from... No, we're only 2 points, 3 points from where we opened on Asian. That's fucking insane. Let's see if they could close below this previous 1 hour. Damn, closing above? I want to see it close below. For sales. Oh, what's up? What's up, sis? Closed at. Cool, cool, cool. Bearish, 30 change of structure, just at. So this could still work out for buys. This could work out for sales. Because we perfectly respected that previous 1 hour. Right? So this could become a support creation. We start breaking these lows though, we might dip it a little lower. Really important close though. Kind of gives us some context of what we're doing. And from what I'm seeing, we're ranging. Just ranging. Until we choose a direction, either up here or below here, I'm not convinced off of anything. I'm not convinced on any idea. But look, we have the 4 hour open candle. Excuse me. On CFD. Are we going to have another day where just gold impulsively chooses direction? That would be good. What's that one Drake song? Drake! Drake! That was a nice top wick. Tell you what, if after that top wick, if it closed below here, I'll take it. Not gonna lie. Because look how we liquidity grabbed the top of the range, and we're kind of still trying to break down here. It's like buyers are just absorbing. So when it closed below here, this 4 hour, I'm pretty convinced. You know what's weird? I don't have to do it no more. You know, as soon as I want to speak about it, now I don't have to shit. Crazy how the world works. Watch, it's gonna come up when I'm in a trade, and I'm gonna have to shit like crazy. I hate when it does that. When you gotta shit, and then you like all of a sudden don't got to, and then at the worst time, and you do. What the fuck? And then I'm just gonna be on a toilet, just like trying, and it's just like there's no point if I don't have to no more. Yeah, this would be a nice close if it could close below for sales. After that liquidity grab, we liquidity grabbed the highs twice. You know what I mean? One pre-session. Wait, no. That was before market open. And then we swept the highs here. Liquidity grab. It would look nice for the sales. As long as we just don't tank, bro. If we could get like a barely close below. Top wick, break the low. Because it's very serious. It's a serious topic when it comes to trading. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. Look at that wick. From miles away. Hold on, I'm on mute. Fire Wolf. What you know about it? You don't know shit about it. Shitting while trading is key. You need that pressure. Pressure makes diamonds. I shit out diamonds every day. Yes. But I want to see the close below here. Exactly. Yes, bro. This is a big ass stop loss. We could fill this wick. Lol, I'm first. Remember when you were spamming the chat to get first and it didn't do nothing and you spammed like 40 messages? I wrote like 1,000,000 words and I'm number 2 fan. Yeah, I don't. Maybe it's just for the. Maybe it's for the current stream. That's probably why. It probably doesn't do like overall. You know what I mean? Yeah, we have a little bit of support here. I expect us to push through it though. This is a big ass stop loss if this closes below though. I'm trying to think, how can I adjust? Maybe since you hit that stream button. You waiting for me to end stream so you could call me. I know you. You not slick. Cause you tried calling me and then I'm like, I'm streaming and you seen I was streaming. Nuh-uh. I'm playing. We have this previous 15-minute resistance here. NQ, just bullshitting. Yeah. I'm trying to think. Okay, if this could close bullish, liquidity grab up here and then close below, I could use that as the stop loss. Just because look at all the liquidity that we already grabbed, right? Beginning of session, grab liquidity, dip down. Now we're retesting this previous structure here. And then if we get the close below, I don't expect it to come back up, come back up or down. My bad. I meant up. Firewolf. What is that from? What the hell is Firewolf? Hey, there was never Bugle. His alpha attributes. I thought it was the same person that typed it. The Daily Bugle? Are we talking about Spider-Man? Peter Parker? Ice Spice? I know y'all seen that on Instagram. Spider-Man kissing Ice Spice. Fire. 70. Ace 200. Yes. These are my real life friends, by the way. Talking about Firewolf and 70. 70. Are you guys learning how to trade? You will have to sell your course now. You guys have to learn from me and then sell your own course. Yeah, I should make my thumbnail the how do I get XP? You type in chat. My ass is exploding bricks. I understand. I'm tripping? Oh, it's the fucking window. Can you give me some advice? Yeah, bro, I got you. Alright, cool. Remember, today's bias is bullish. Alright? 1 hour. 1 hour here. No, done everything. There was never Boogle. There was only Fire Mons. What the fuck are we talking about? Done everything that How is this gonna close? What the fuck? Look at this, bro. Oh shit. Look at this, bro. Wicks the top, Wicks the bottom. We don't want to make a decision. Yes. Small price of 300,099. The shit's the top and the shit's on the bottom. Yes, you understand. You can sell your course now. Yeah, done here, done everything. Yeah. Candles, bro. Yes. You understand. Ace is a loser, but for real, I learned from White Uso. What you know about White Us? White Usington. Uber stand. I hate you so much. Why are we dissing on Ace? Why are we dissing on Ace? Never. Because Ace not even Ace though. He's not even acing shit. I want to see this close below here. Yo, Ace, I'm trying to learn to stop trolling. You gotta buy my courses if you want to learn and be successful in life. Who's one? I don't like how y'all standing right next to each other saying all this dumb shit. I fucking hate you, man. And why the fuck is TJR? Why is he hulking? You tripping or what? White Us. White Uso hit TP. I'm gonna be great. Cause I got my man my name. How would you know about this? I got my oats and my sauce. Y'all don't know bangers. Who? Who plays it? Let me not say. Is it because I got my what? I know. What's up with Ace? Can we get Ace out the chat? Mods, ban Ace. What the fuck? Mods, where's my mods? Turn this commercial music off, bruh. You're a hater. You're my #1 hater. You don't like my burger music. You know what? Oh shoot. Burger. Fries. Oh, this the music that I gotta play every time I trade, man. Boss. Maybach music. For my niggas, dog. I ride for my niggas. Alright, let's see how this 15-minute closing. Like some bullshit. It's not closing, right? If we can get the next 15-minute close below, I could use a 30-minute setup. If it closes below. That shit hella loud on my TV, mine's phone, and my phone. Are you watching on all three? Do you need me to turn it down? I turn it down. Nah, you good. Oh, boom, boom. I gotta make sure he good. Look how we're just fucking ranging. You moved the setup? Yeah, it's in the other side now. It's not in the living room, or it's all one room. But you know, like there's the divider. I moved it over here, so my mom's on the other side, and I have my bed and my desk in here. So it's kind of like when I do my content shit, it's not like a problem. It's all facing the wall.
Like you never wanted nothing. It's feeling like rap changed. It was a time it was rugged. Back when nothing reached, it was for the weapon. Nowadays niggas reach just a Sunday record.
The chart's choppy today, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I had a position earlier, but it was a break even. I got a journal it still. If this next one could close below, I could take it. Below this line. Yo, bro, Kai Sinet's in your stream right now? No, Kai, bro. Let me get a streamer. You. I want to be next for Kai. I ain't even gonna do that. My sister's here. Just one time. Right? Just one time? No. Rakai bald right now? I gotta keep up with Rakai more. Maybach music. Oh. You know what I could play right now? Because it's on Spotify? You already knew.
Alright, good luck, Asain.
I feel like I learned a lot of the lyrics. I'm probably gonna fuck it up. Moving Regis clientele, you can't tell me what to move. Oh fuck. Better got these inside, getting busy in the field. Time to move, not right, but living like cartel. Who dreams? Nah, steady carry still. Bending bodies, all you need is a young nigga in this field. No, bangers. Neck late night, trying to touch another 10. Call us like SOS, cause you know it's trying to spin. Let's see what with the gin. I keep a presidential role.
Bankroll up a check, I keep 150s on me. Niggas know about the team and city and
no other homies.
Straight cater to my life, it's like 100 shots on me. Hey, Rolls Royce slapping, Maybach trapping. Put up in the Benz and skirt off, doing magic. Hey, shit we doing the daily. Niggas putting in the captions. Money growing trees for the thugs, there's too much baggage. Take the wristwatches, TikTok.
Ain't that Sosa rapping? I heard you well known in Oakland.
Trap house, turning mansions. See just all state the way I'm having. 100 times 100, money making been my passion. CDN nigga, I'm in my bag, so trying to target legs. Phone on D&D, I'm in the booth trying to talk some shit. Niggas on my phone talking nonsense, trying to crack some shit. Money on my mind, that's my motor, can never call it quits. A fish on this beat, I'm coming through, trying to stamp some shit. Bankroll in these peppers, I'm married down, but that's just for the kicks. Put up on them pedal, I'm chasing chicken, clocking early morning. 100K round with my brothers, 90-day grinding. Bag chasing nigga, pay the fair dealer. All facts speaker, it don't matter, put a name on it. Fat nigga chasing, must forgot I'm still a CD nigga. Mike Jack with it, cause on them skits I still
beat a nigga.
Hey, but you ain't really finna trench shit. CDN.
You know he beefs with Tri Benji. I know him.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for them Benzes.
Tri Benji, my cousin, he beef with us.
Team too expensive, nigga. Sosa, CDN shit, BRM.
CDN shit, BRM. CDN. Teach me, baby.
Welcome.
Get out my head and into the bed, girl.
Love you too. I love you too, man.
Hey, baby girl, and it's you are the key. Yo, because I then, from you looking at me, I can me say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you full fantasy. Because you know I give you love it straight like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? So back it up. So back it up, yeah, cause I wanna be the man that's really gonna up it up and mock it up and rock it up there. So what is up, yeah, you know you got the vibe. And me have to develop and I swell up and double up, yeah. So give me the work, yeah, and rope in to fend for dirty looks and corrupt, yeah. So rev it up, there, girl, go and try your luck. There, cause when you steer it up, you know me have to up, yeah. From you looking at me, I girl, me say you want me. When you gonna
give it all to me?
Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? Well, if you're not today, girl, then I must see tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm just waiting now. Just waiting, just waiting, just waiting. Family love is stronger than any love chat. Family love. Yes. Yes, does. Speak your truth. I feel like an old man right now, bro. And Abigail, dude, I already know you. I know. But for me, food is love. Food is love. It's the only way to live life. The nutrients that you need. And I could tell, bro, like those cookies, the cake, I understand. That cake is gone, by the way. That cake is gone. Deleted. Annihilated. I told you, man. Not me. What me? Ooh. When you're gonna give it up to me, because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you're gonna give it. I only got 2 slices. It's okay. It's okay. It's all gonna be okay. And give it all to me. Yo. Yo. Chapter, the man for all my girls, you know. Keep it. If I shine, you shine. Call me one time if you need me. Hey. All right, time to log back in. All right, so I want to see a 15-minute closing above here, and I could run stops below here. 72 is a lot. So if we can make a support here, I could run 50. W speed. Yes. W speed. I don't like how you said W speed. I know exactly what you're talking about. Ooh, 5 minute S1 with I dropped my phone. No. Alright, it looks like we're trying to pop down now. Cool. We're close below here. It'll also be a 30-minute. It'd be nice. It'd be nice. $30-minute. Yeah, it would be nice if it was also a 30-minute close. Alright, if this next 5 minute could close above here, it's nice for a buy. We had a liquidity grab, and then I want to see this just be the continuation. A whole new. You keep breaking that phone. I can't blame nobody else now. You breaking that phone. And where's Amo? Tell Amo I said hi. What did he do? And you know what? No, I'll talk to you later about it. I'll talk to you later about it. It's fine. I'll call you after. Or like when I'm done filming or whatever. Let's see, what is this candle doing? Nothing. I want to see this close below here. That'd be nice. Falling deep. Ooh. And Q has to do a lot of work to get up here in the next 2 minutes. I'm not gonna lie. This has to do some work and get below here. I wouldn't mind like even a stronger close like right here. Like I could still hold that to get to here. $63. I mean, let's see. We might get the close. We've already looked through here before. Hopefully we can get actual close below. It is a 30-minute. It's bullish. I need a 15 close above though. Let's see. Has to close below. Let's see. Let's see. Tapped it now.
Keep it peasy, making it happen. Up next, I got us into a grind mood. You're gonna feel this.
You know what I'm saying? That ain't what you do, it's how you do it.
Oi. Is there a bottom wick on GC? No. I have to wait for it to re-break its own low. Alright, cool. Re-break of its own low, I'm getting triggered in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, triggered there. Let's see what we do. Let's see. Let's see. I gotta cut green onions again. No, bro. Let's see if we can push through now. We can use this previous 15 as a watch zone, but I want us to push through it. We have a 30-minute closing below. Let's see if we can break this low. Tapping that now. See if we can push through. See how we react. If we're gonna break down today, we gotta. I don't think we have 1 minute structure. Yeah, we don't. So very impulsive tap down. I have to see if we can make some 1 minute structure. I want to see how it reacts here. Pretty bad rejection, but hopefully we can react off of this level, use it as a resistance to continue lower. Just no 1 minute structure. Only problem, right? It could snap back really quick. I want to see it tap this and then hopefully respect it to continue lower. Oi. Wow. Can't really do nothing about that, if I'm being so honest. But this is what I was talking about. It could be an aggressive pullback. That's unfortunate. I mean, if I lose, I lose, but 1 hour, 30, close below, 15. Yeah, my trade still makes sense. It's this little ass 5 support or previous 15 that was giving us a problem. So I just have to sit here and let the trade play out. Whatever it wants to do, let it do it, bro. I start getting worried when we have 15 closing back in the range. And, you know, if it wants to just push up here, those probabilities. Daily's bearish, 4 hours bullish. We close below the 4 hour. If today's just going to be a day where we range, I gave it a shot. You know what I mean? I haven't took a full loss in a while. So if I take one today, I'm not mad, bro. I'm not mad. You could try it. Why not? Why not? Hopefully, yeah, it has to respect all of this. If it starts breaking this high, I think we're just going to continue up today. We literally have to break down now. We have 5 minute closing strong, bullish. Yeah. That's tough. That's tough. I tried. Still have a chance here. It has to respect all of this. It has to respect that. Let's see if this could close with a strong rejection. Let's see, let's see.
shining by my side, but you didn't stay down. Free my niggas, yeah, I miss them niggas. Free the bitch, cause she don't love you, nigga. Free your mind before you lose your mind.
Some heavy drawdown.
He ain't keep his eye. Now I'm back on my bullshit.
5-minute closing back in the range. Don't like to see it. Don't like to see it.
My life, I can't lose it. They crashing out by themselves, they gon' prove it. And I don't need nobody, I ain't never need no handout. Shit getting tricky, so you better keep your blam out. Bro, mad because his name hope be fanned out. I was broke then, yeah, I know, but what they saying now? What's the hate about? I was broke.
That's nasty. That's nasty. I'm not gonna lie.
My trust been fucked up, I brought the Drake out. These bitches stuck up in their ways, man, I hate clowns. I picked the streets over you, I know I'm fucked up. Cause every L that I took, I didn't learn something. Yeah, don't slip, cause I was outside with the gang tryna. I ain't gonna lie, when I hit, yeah, I don't miss.
Let's see. Let's see. It could still play out. Don't get me wrong. It could still play out. But I'm trying to look at it from like a higher time frame point of view. We liquidity grabbed twice from the highs. 30-minute long rejection wick to the upside, closed below. You know what I mean? Broke the low, and then we reacted off of this 15-minute. So it's like, yes, we're at a 4-hour support, but yes, we liquidity grabbed the highs. So I seen this as a sell opportunity, especially that we kept rejecting from the upside. And I'm just hoping this could flip down now. I mean, that's all I could hope for. So I'm still sticking with my idea. You know what I mean? This stop loss is here intentionally. You know what I mean? This previous level is what we should just fucking react like crazy. And yes, we didn't have 1-minute structure. And I said it might just pull back. It might want to do that. That's fine. I could live with that. You know what I mean? I had all the higher time frame confirmations. So if I lose this trade, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. I'm happy if I lose this trade. I'm not mad at it. You know what I mean? My probabilities were in my favor. And my system presented itself. So if I lose this, I lose it. It would be my first loss, like real loss in a while too. So I'm not upset. I'm not. You see what NQ's doing? I'm trying to think. If I just went break even, would that have made sense? Would be going just break even here because there's no 1-minute structure make sense? We had all the higher time frame confirmations, but it's like, man. All right, I'm gonna just let the play rock out. I'm gonna just let it rock out, bro. I can't do anything about it, so we have to just see if it's either TP or if it comes to entry or if it's gonna just stop me out, because there's no way I manage this realistically. Like, it's either I take SL now or we flip back down. Like, there's no management plan behind this because of how deep we are. You know what I mean? Once we start flipping back down, I can adjust stops here. That's about it though.
To the track, bitch.
That way to fly away.
But I think my stop loss is in a pretty good spot. I'm not gonna lie. Last level of protection. At that previous 1 hour now. Struggling. This is why I said the 1 hour is pretty important. So if this could just be the liquidity grab to continue lower, I'd be very happy. But we close above, I'm cooked. I'm not gonna lie. I got money, I've been asleep in 3 days. I got money cause I need it. I'm bleeding at a G-way. Come like me, yeah. Nobody.
it overseas. Transport that pack with a trunk full of hella keys. I'm from a pound.
It looks like it wants to push up.
Bitch niggas hating, can't run that money up like me. Real blood, keep that torch when I ride. Nigga try to take what I earn, I'ma slide. Lately I've been flipping cakes, going through some trials. Let that fake shit go, cause I got money on my mind. Rich gang or don't bang, nigga. Up in that foreign, I've been swerving like the lane. I'm too official, got black diamonds in my chain, nigga.
Alright, let me think.
Niggas going through the same, nigga. Slime.
If I can get to entry, I'm gonna close the trade. Just because I'd rather wait. So if we can get this one more retest down, I could try to close the trade out. I want to see how this 15-minute closes, but if it gives me a chance, because we close back above this 4-hour support, I really kind of don't like that. I'm not gonna lie. It's really trying to hold up now. Hopefully we can break this low, get that retest. That 1 hour, look at that. I've been sleeping 3 days. I need it. Nobody. Yeah, we poppin'. Oh, I think it's GG's. We have to flip down now. NQ, what's NQ doing? Yeah. We gotta flip down right now. Flip down, please. I think the only thing wrong with this trade was just no 1 minute structure.
Let that bitch for work, I drink it, mud it up. It's my trap, I jump ass, I ran it up. I keep popping 30s, 10 just ain't enough. Fucking like I love her, I'm just feeling less. She tryna go another round, cause one just ain't enough. I made a killing of these bows, I'm a 300 plus. Don't play with ops, I swing around and leave shit in the dust. Every time I credo make a sign, I'm tryna get shit touched. Know I'm coming, grip a hell, go right, you running. Know I'm having, buy you what you want, ain't nothing. Niggas playing top, that switch for Mikey. Fill my cup with drink, drop back my killer's high. Shit ain't nothing. Trapping in my sleep, my left wrist, it ain't cheap. I'm so slimy, cropping niggas out, you know I play for keeps. Gotta cry, I don't went too deep, got French up on feet. I jump out the G, get low and creep, just like I'm pissed to Pete. Customize the bitch like GTA, I bought a absentee. Bitch, I'm super rich, I bought 6 acres just for Mama Z. I stick to my switch while
Still
I'm
holding like this 1 minute higher highs, higher lows. I want to see it break down. Because 15-minute closing back above 4-hour support. Rejection was from the downside. We just have to hope this downward momentum just continues.
Low shimmy bringing it home. Gonna keep things moving now with some songs from the last few years. PPM HUD on first.
$15-minute close below previous 1 hour. That don't really mean shit right now. It's gonna have a pop. It's gonna have a pop, bro. Make a decision, boom, or it's gonna do. Man. Damn, support creation. Wicking out the bottom. Liquidity grab. Not looking too hot for me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Not looking too spicy for me. We have to see some bear strength come in. I'm not really confident in it though. I mean, look at that 1 minute. Really wants to come up. Finally close above 1 minute structure. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's GG's. Yeah, GG's. That 1 minute close above should be it. We have to like reject right now. But if it flips, break its on high, it's probably gonna break out these highs. All right, let me start journaling this now. I think the mistake I did make was not waiting for 1 minute structure. You know what I mean? Maybe I should have went hard break even for the simple fact we didn't have 1 minute structure. Yeah. That makes sense. You know what I mean? Probably going break even was a smarter decision because it didn't have 1 minute structure. And because of that, it's like I said, it could easily snap back fully and do what it's doing now. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I'm paying the price for that. So I'll keep that in mind next time. Let me think. 1 hour close bullish. We're gonna close bullish. A lot of accumulation in this area. And Q's just barcoding. Did it follow your rules? Yes. Was it A plus trade? Nah. No. Yes. Yeah, this respects structure here. It's probably gonna just be a higher low, continue higher. There's no point in looking at the 1 minute anymore, though. Not gonna lie to you. I mean, to be fair, 5 minute is getting weaker. So if we're gonna reject, we should reject from here. Just the thing is, it's like that huge liquidity grab from the downside. 30 is gonna close bullish. 15 is gonna close bullish. Has to start breaking down.
Coming next, PZ, that kind of stuff.
If we can retest this one more time, I could get out. Hopefully, just with less on the table.
Kind of a heartbroken. Coming next, it's all pedal to the metal.
Oh, I just want your heart. Doors closing up. I just want your heart. Like I said, if we could retest down here, I could get out, break even, and wait for a closure. So, I think it's gonna wait for that 1 hour to make a decision. Yeah. I kind of don't like the volume that we don't have enough volume now. Had a pop, I caught that pocket of volume, and now we have to wait for the 1 hour to open for more volume to come through. This 1 minute's holding strong though. The stretcher. Rosa. Please stay focused. Your friends don't know us. Walk into the mansion. The penthouse told 15/30 +1. No. Yeah, bro. Got into these shorts with this 30-minute close and below 4-hour support, 15. Didn't have a bottom wick here. Waited for a top wick, or wait for it to make a bottom wick and then a top wick and enter the rebreak of the low. This level, this little baby ass level. Let me turn this music down. This little baby ass level, it wicked down, instantly came back up. And now I'm convinced that if 1 hour closes bullish is a support creation, and this might have been the liquidity grab to continue higher off of that little baby ass level. But I'm still sticking with my idea. Right, break it this high, I feel like we're going to continue higher. Just got to hope it starts rejecting now. But like, if 1 hour flips bullish, I'm confident I'm going to lose the trade. But the thing that worries me now is like 4 hour support. We closed back in. We see volume pop in now before this next hour open candle. But yeah, bro. But everything followed my plan though. The only one thing that was a little concerning, bro, that I usually look at more, but I wasn't paying attention. We had no 1 minute pullbacks prior to the move. And usually when that happens, when it comes down to your level, you want to go quick break even, because like it just did, it could snap up real quick. You know what I mean? Hopefully this bearish volume could continue. Now it's a matter of just guessing the direction today. You know what I mean? We liquidity grabbed twice. Accumulation, another liquidity grab, then got the close below. Hopefully this is the second liquidity grab to continue below. But, I mean, my stop loss are at the highs, so if we want to just then I'm going. I still have faith though. But I was saying that if I can get to entry, I could probably close break even, just wait for the next close. Yeah. Let's see if this volume could just kick. Yeah, bro. I was just letting it do its thing, bro. I want to see us do that gold thing where we just meow, meow. It's hella fast. Let's see. I do want to see how this 15 closes though. I'm just journaling. Hold on, I forgot to explain it for the YouTube chat. Hold on. Okay, okay. So I did not record, I forgot, but I got into a short, as you can see, and it's fucking right next to my stop loss, bruh. I'll explain it in a little bit. I'm gonna finish out this stream and then yeah. Hopefully, I hope so. I hope so. Because look, we have a 4 hour support sitting here, right? A support. That's why I'm like, fuck. This could have been the liquidity grab to continue higher. Just gotta hope I'm right short term. This next 5 minute close. This also the 1 hour is gonna be very important. It closes below, gives me more confidence. Below this previous 1 hour, it gives me more confidence. I want to see it just break down. Like, all right, after all this liquidity grabs, let me record this, bro. Fuck. I keep forgetting I have to be a YouTuber. After all these liquidity grabs, I expect this to result somewhere, right? And look at all the accumulation we have here. And then another liquidity grab come down, another liquidity grab. Like I like how the downside looks. And look at all this range that we have to fill. You know what I mean? Especially with the news that just came out fundamentally. Like I think we're fundamentally a little more bearish with the escalation and all that. So it's like, is all that gonna line up, or am I just gonna be wrong today? We will see. We will see. I'll be fine if I'm wrong, bro. I could live with it. I could live with it. I just want this 1 hour like to close below. That will give me so much more confidence, bro. But I just have to survive this next 2.5 minutes. But we don't, like, I want us to close below here, because if we don't, it's like, look, this could just be the support, right? And then we just continue higher from here. Just like after liquidity grab, bro. You know what I mean? A little bit chopped today. Look at MQ. Pushing down. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. It's not looking good, chat. It's not looking good. It is not looking good. Closing weak bearish. I think I'm cooked. Whoo, shit. What is this 1 hour gonna do? What is the 1 hour gonna do? This is scary. Let's see. Dump, dump, dump. Dump. No. Dump. Just go down, go down, go down. We close below. Dump, dump, dump. Come on. Dump, 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 bro. Come on. We close bearish. We close bearish. Oh my god, we're just barcoding. I just want to get out break even, bro. I would be so grateful if I can get out break even here. I literally can't do nothing about it. Oh my god, look at that 1 minute. No! No! GG's, bro. I think it's GG's. Damn, just impulsive 1 minute? Is that what we're gonna do? Go down, go down.
Now I got some songs.
1 hour close below. That's like my only confluence that could survive or help me survive. That's literally it. And we have just such strong accumulation here. Looks like we want to come up though. Look at that. Yeah. Just lose, bro. I don't even want to be in the trade anymore. That's the crazy part. Just get me out the trade. Like, I don't even want to look at this no more. I just want to go. How long am I going to be here? Bruh. I just want to get stopped out so I can go to the gym, bruh. I just don't want to keep staring at this shit. Look at this barcode. Broke the high. We should get the pop. Just break the high, bro. Stop me out. Stop me out, please. I'm begging you, bro. I don't want to be in this trade. Just flip up, break the high. Skilling more contracts. What the fuck? Should I just full port now? I just want to get out. I just want to get the hell out of this trade, bro. I'm tired, bro. 5 minute close above. All right, bottom wick, break the high, bro. Look, we created a higher low. We should break the high now. I just don't want to be in this bullshit. Yes. I swear to God. This is the first time you guys are going to see someone getting mad about it going down. Because we're just chopping, bro. Just chopping, just chopping. Use that as a support level to bounce higher. I promise you, first time you're going to see someone happy about losing. I just don't want to be here and just in this. Like, it's taking too long. Like, you know, like you see me, bro. I like being wrong or right quick. I don't like being in trades for super copious amounts of time. We have a 5 minute change of structure, bro. This should pop up here. Yes, higher low. Oh yeah, like I need the freezer. California. He's fine with me. I'm gonna fall asleep in this chair, bro. Let me charge this. Yes, finally. Get me out. Stop me. Stop me out, bro. Come on. I guess I was right about the right place to put my stop loss. Because look how long it's taking to get there. How much it's struggling. Good stop loss placement. Giving myself survival. You know what I mean? Just look at that. Long rejection wick to the downside. 5 minute change of structure. Like, why are you struggling so much? Just pop. Yes, go. Oh my goodness, bro. I have never been in such a choppy ass position, bro. I'm lying. I've been in a position probably for like 3 hours at one time. It was a bank holiday, and my dumbass decided to take a trade. And I was in chop for like how long? $40 seconds for this to close. Strong bullish close, yes. To stop me out finally. Still respecting the structure. Breaking the high should finally stop me out. Look, we have 2 5-minute closing beer bullish. There you go. Bruh, no. Just stop me out, bro. Oh my god. Rebreak your own high. Nippled away from my stop loss. Look at that. Rebreak the high real quick. Come on.
Order
Yes.
filled. Order
Let's
filled.
go. Finally, bro. Out that bull ass trade, bro. My first like real loss in a while, actually. God damn. GG's, bro. Oh shit. Took way too long. Way too long, bro. We're seeing volume kick in now. Alright. 1 hour 30. Am I crazy? Why does this kind of look like a buy? What the fuck? Am I crazy? And I promise this is not revenge trading. This is like actual logic. Why does it look like a buy? Above here, stop loss below the 15 to trade to the higher, to the resistance. We have 1 minute structure. What's bias? Daily's bearish, 4 hour range, being the 4 hour flip. 1 hour week bearish, liquidity grab. It's not crazy. It is not crazy, bro. Closing above that line. Let's see. Let's see. 6. Yeah, 1 minute structure. 1 hour bearish, 30 bullish. 15. Do we have volume? We have volume. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for this. If this doesn't close above, I'm gonna just journal and go to the gym. I'm not gonna lie. $82. I'm hungry. Where the ball is at? 83. $12. Has to close above though. Southside, right. didn't close above. You're not close above. What's the next candle? The 30-minute. Do I want to stick around? Mm, 1 hour. 30. Quick close bullish with a change of structure. 15. If it makes 5 minutes structure, then close above. We had a big liquidity grab from the downside. There's volume. Options. Oh wait. It ain't nothing. Ugh. It starts if it pushes through and eats up the range though. Damn, why is there volume now? Oh my gosh. Making me stay longer than I need to, bro. Cause now it's like both of them are setting up. If this can make 5 structure and close above. And then if this can make 5 structure and close above. And there's volume. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep in mind next time. Next time we don't have 1 minute structure and we tap a target or a area, I'm gonna just go hard break even. No exceptions. I'm not settling for anything else. No exceptions. Because ended up in exactly what I said it could do. Let me journal this. Oh, Bogo? I remember. Bogo. /30-minute S1. No. 1 min struck. Watch is on. Makes the bias. Just a straight 5-minute push, huh? Hopefully NQ can maybe set up. Bullish, bearish, then bullish. Close above. What time was this? 18:30. Minus 111. Eight losses, 14 wins. There we go. 63 points. What? I need a 5-minute pullback here. So if we can get a bearish pretty deep, 5-minute close above, it'll be nice. We start eating up this range though, I can't take it. Same thing with NQ. If this could close bearish, doesn't matter. Anywhere here and then close above to trade to this, I could take it.
Some early 2000 songs on the way now. Biddy McLean first.
Yeah, this has to close bearish. I can't take it like this. Yeah, NQ just pushing. No, 1 minute structure and taps and watch zone ejected will move let it make Today's Wednesday? Oh shit. Hopefully this can close stronger bearish. I don't 1 hour close. Oh, okay. 30, 15. I need this to close bearish, next one above, and I can take the buy. Baby. might just go. Has to close around here. You can feel this wick. You hear the honking? The electero man. So back in the 30 minutes.
First time to mix it up a bit. It's Drake, but not your usual songs. This is
Go ahead. I don't know. I really don't. I mean, so for real. I really don't know. Maybe it's like for some type of reward system, maybe. I don't know.
Hit the gym, step on the scale, stare at the number. You say you dropping 10 pounds, preparing for summer, and you don't do it for the man. Men never notice. You
58.
yourself, you the fucking coldest. Intelligent too. Ooh, you
1,000 divided by 58.
book and street smart. Long as they got a little class like half days and the confidence to overlook my past
17.
ways. Time heals all, and heels hurt to walk in, but they go with the clutch that you carry your lip gloss in. And look, I really think nobody does it better. I love the way that you put it together. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nails done, hair done, everything done.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did.
Let's see if this gets close strong here. Stronger the better, I ain't gonna lie. Oy. Not the strongest close.
Independent with the demeanor of an R&B singer. Naked ring finger, M3 Beamer, champagne range, triple white Jag, closet full of brand new clothes and handbags. Alexander McQueen, Prada, Gucci, Chanel, D&G, BCBG, Versace, Louis, and BB. You ain't needy, greedy.
That's the 30-minute close, 2, 15, 5. Retesting. Let's see if we can get a retest. Bottom wick of this whole area, and then re-break its on high. What the hell? The stream? Is it alright? Did something happen? Deep liquidity grab. Let's see if we could break the high here. It's suspended. I don't know. I don't know. Go Cinderella. Go.
5 and a half and boys, asses off the hook. Cinderella about to lose the glass off her foot. And when I find it, it's when I find you. And we can do the things we never got the time to. Better late than never, but never late is better. They tell me
Violations? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What the hell?
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold rank. No. Sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Got your bitch around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my folk goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the coast right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get off this chart. I'm done. I'll take that. Let me not try to force anything. I'll come back later and see if I can find something. Alright, stream. Ooh.